What's up, guys? Welcome to Tech Uncode, that you might have known as Asking for the NG, but has taken on a refined identity as Tech Uncode. I'm your very humble presenter, Precious, as you already know, and today I'll be getting my hands on the TECNO Camon 16 Premier. You see, I'm very excited about unboxing this device because it's very different from what we're used to with Tecno phones, but I won't be too forward. Let's just go straight into ripping open the box and I'll share my first impressions with you. Stay tuned. On opening the box, you're greeted with a two-hued mini box that contains the warranty card, as always, and a protective silicone case that has the Manchester City logo on it. The case has cuts and openings at the USB port, headphone jacks, volume keys, and everywhere appropriate. And then, there's the phone itself in a paper wrap highlighting the specifications of the phone. Like it says, the phone comes with a 64MP ultra quad camera, 48MP dual front camera with ultra wide angle selfie camera, and there's the super video mode, ultra night portrait powered, and 6.9-inch screen, which isn't small by the way, with dual dot-in display and 33 watts flash charge, all of which we'll come to in our review proper. In the box is also the charging brick and Type-C charging cable, which both have orange accents. The earphones with silver hints at strategic places that make it look really sophisticated, and the SIM card ejection tool. Now, let's peel this off to unveil the sleek glacial silver colored phone, which is most likely going to be the only color the TECNO Camon 16 Premier will come in. Well, that's what the website says anyways. It is bright, catchy, and just generally packs a relaxing feel to it. With the fancy blue color catching all your attention, it's pretty impossible to not notice the new look 64-megapixel camera with quad camera setup and quintuplet set flashlights. On the left side is the port that houses a tray which carries two 4G LTE nano SIMs and a SD card, while the right side holds the volume and power button, which is interestingly also the fingerprint sensor. At the bottom is the normal USB Type-C port, 3.5mm headphone jack, microphone, and speaker. I'll power this on real quick, but in the meantime, meet the really big 6.9-inch full high definition plus in plane switching liquid crystal display with 9.5 by 9 aspect ratio. The screen also houses a dual camera, which is new from TECNO. Now that I've given the device the once over, catch up with the review proper and get more details.